Mr. Manalac, thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
Today, I want to discuss fintech with you. I know Nasdaq have a lot of initiatives of innovation in Asia. So what are they and how does Nasdaq use them?
Fintech is such a broad term these days. And I think one of the things that many people don't know about Nasdaq is that Nasdaq obviously plays a part in global markets, and we're one of the leading exchanges globally. And we think about Nasdaq as that big US exchange. But what many people don't know is that Nasdaq actually provides a lot of financial technology solutions to the overall finance ecosystem as a whole, whether that's to other exchanges around the world, broker-dealers, asset managers, regulators. We really touch all the facets of that, whether it's trading technology, risk technology, clearing, surveillance, financial crime.
So what characteristics have you observed in Asia's fintech sector? And what are the most significant trends in 2026?
Asia's always been very innovative, right, in terms of technology and at the forefront. If you look at Greater China as a whole, there's so many new innovative ideas around financial technology, super apps, different things like that can really benefit the consumer. One of the things that I think is really going to be developing a lot is really digitalization and tokenization as a whole, new technology for markets as a whole. And we think about, for example, trading equities, trading stocks, being able to trade on a 24/5 basis, instead of just waiting for normal trading hours, is going to be a huge trend that a lot of the market is looking at now. And combining AI with the digitalization and tokenization factor that's forming these, I think is going to be crucial for the next phase of Asian financial development as a whole. And so you're seeing that develop. We're trying to play a part of that. Obviously, we're doing that as well in the US. And so hopefully we can benefit from some of the changes that are happening there, both with regulators as well as the financial ecosystem, to help learn how we can potentially do that even faster in Asia as it develops over time. In addition to that, though, we also supply a lot of the other exchanges around the market in Asia with technology to fuel their own exchange, right? So when you think about some of these exchanges around the marketplace, including Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia, other emerging markets, we like to try to play a part in that growth of their markets as well, by either providing technology or providing guidance of how to sort of structure their technology and their ecosystem to really grow their own markets domestically as well.
And what technologies have you provided to traditional exchanges to help them to improve their business?
It's a multifaceted sort of approach. It's not a one-size-fits-all. I think that our approach has certainly been, we want to promote constantly good increased liquidity in the markets, but we also want to promote increased transparency and integrity in all those markets. So one of the challenges that I think emerging markets around Asia face is that it's still sort of a black box. Not many people know how it actually exactly operates. And so providing the same technology we utilize in our own markets, we hope that we can help develop those efficient markets in those countries to allow their own markets to feel a little more comfortable that people can invest their money there with less risk, I would say.
From an investment perspective, what do you think will be the next high growth subsector in APAC fintech?
Asia as a whole has always been very promoting of innovation, right, and advancement. I think if you look at Hong Kong, they've been one of the leaders in terms of crypto and digital openness and regulatory framework to allow for more trading firms, digital trading firms, crypto exchanges to operate within Hong Kong and benefit Asia markets as a whole. And you're starting to see that benefit not only Asia, but also outside markets coming into Asia as a result of these companies being leaders in their space. And so I think in terms of investment, I think you're going to continue to see more types of trading firms, expand. You see some more sort of financial holding companies establish different avenues for investments, whether it be digital, whether it be crypto, blockchain, whatever it might be, besides the standard sort of Western norms of the big Mag 7. You're starting to see big IPOs come out of Asia again that are sort of in that same space that want to compete globally, for that sector. And I think part of it is because the Asian markets, because of the population here and then the rise of the middle class investors here, there's a lot of opportunity for Asian companies to present themselves on a global stage. And Nasdaq hopes to kind of offer them the ability to attract that capital and introduce that to their investors as well.